Kamusta? Narinig nyo na ba to? Your mind repeats what you refuse to release. Alam nyo, kung may mabigat kayong dinadala, today I invite you to let go of the thoughts that drain your peace. Alam mo, kadalasan hindi ka naman talaga pagod sa buhay. Pagod ka lang sa kaka-overthink. Sabi nga sa Isaiah 26 verse 3, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast." Di mo kasalanan kung napapagod ka. Your mind has been carrying too many things at the same time. Yung utak mo masyadong maraming naka-open na tab ng sabay-sabay. Diba sa Google Chrome, pag masyadong maraming nakabukas na tab, ano nangyayari? Bumabagal yung pag-process. And worse, the system will crash. Alam niya yan, no? Kaya ang pangako niya, I will keep you in perfect peace. Hindi half peace, hindi temporary peace. Perfect peace. Pero may kondisyon, kailangan daw meron kang steadfast mind. Ibig sabihin, a mind that returns to God when it starts to wander. A mind that surrenders instead of spiraling out of control. God provides perfect peace to those whose minds are steadfast in their trust in Him. And that's the beauty of it. Hindi kailangan perfect, no? He does not demand perfection. He just wants you to come back to Him every now and then because He knows that every thought you release that does not serve you gives you more room to heal. At isa pa, meron tayong kasabihan, di ba? Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Pag walang solusyon, walang problema. Kapatid, hindi lahat ng problema kailangan mong solusyonan. Yung iba, kailangan lang bitawan. Kung umabot ka dito, maraming salamat. At kung nakatulong to, send mo na rin sa isang tao na hindi makatulog sa gabi sa kaiisip.